What features should be mentioned about Venraty Upgraded Detachable 15.6-inch Laptop Screen Extender? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. New upgraded 15.6 inches laptop screen extender. Made of aluminum alloy and PC material, this new laptop monitor extender is durable, and the upgraded magnetic structure makes it more stable and drop-proof, folds compactly for easy storage in your computer bag. A variety of screen combinations and its detachable screens can meet all your needs. Ideal for work, travel, IT, online classes, gaming, and video conferences, programmers and more. 1080p, IPS, FHD quality. The portable laptop screen triple monitor uses 15.6-inch FHD, 1080p, IPS screen, with 300 nit brightness, 72% NTSC color gamut, 1920 by 1080 resolution and 1000 by 1 contrast ratio, providing customers with a wider field of view, more lifelike visual effects, and a more comfortable viewing experience. With the built-in speakers, you can enjoy a better viewing experience. At the same time, the low blue light design portable display has anti-glare and flicker-free functions, which provides eye protection. 2 detachable screens design. Venraty 15.6 inches triple portable monitor laptop with 2 additional detachable screens, supports 90 degrees, 235 degrees and 360 degrees rotation with the single stand. Easily folded, you can put it in the provided storage bag and take it wherever you want. Horizontal mode, portrait mode, mirror mode and other combinations to provide you a variety of viewing angles, enables you to open multiple windows at the same time. Working on different screens, video conferencing, watching movies and other activities. Plug and play, no driver required. This is a triple laptop screen extender for 13 to 17.3 inches laptops, whether you choose a USB-C, USB-A or HDMI connection, simply plug in the laptop screen extender and start your daily use without drivers. Please note, when using the HDMI cable, connect an additional USB-A to USB-C cable on the same screen extender for power supply. Broad compatibility. Our new laptop monitor extender supports a variety of devices and operating systems. And this laptop triple screen extender is compatible with Windows, Mac, does not support M1, M2, M3 chip, Chrome, Android, Linux, DeX and Switch and other devices. Please read the instructions carefully before use. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.